amigos, we are the Roots. In this vlog, we are sharing with you the ups and downs of our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. So please join us on this our journey. So, Mr. Root, what is going on now?
So, right after we moved into our house, a drunk driver basically knocked down our mailbox and the cable box out on the side of the street. So now we're rebuilding it in a way that I don't think they're going to flee the scene if they hit it again.
Hi, the Traveling Roots here again. How you doing?
Yay, we're here for more fun.
Yes, more fun, yay. What are we doing today?
Today we're building a pony wall that's going to incorporate our mailbox.
Okay.
So over the Christmas holiday, we had a drunk driver decide to drive through our front yard, take out our mailbox, and then the Cox communications.
She's right there. It's gone.
Our mail and everything about halfway down the block. So what I did is I sank these posts 2 feet in the ground with 3 80-pound bags of concrete apiece. So that's what, 240 pounds of concrete per post.
Awesome.
And then I filled the post with concrete as well.
Yeah, you can see there.
So the next driver who comes by,
yeah, he's gonna have fun.
yes, he's gonna have fun, all right. Explaining that to the cops and the insurance company.
Yes.
So we're building our pony wall and our mailbox.
Awesome. Well, let's expedite this, baby.
Okay.
Chop, chop.
No chop chop.
Chop, chop, chop. Come on, chop, chop.
So in this part of the video, you can see we're sinking the 3/4 posts. We're using a piece of metal to help get them level. We have to keep them level and true and square. So the 3/4 posts are done, they're concreted in, they're full of concrete as well. And now we're starting to create the frame. Everything has to be cleaned and prepped, welded. Now keep in mind it's also I think like 115 degrees, summertime here. Wonderful time to be outside welding. So we got the frame made, we have the tabs for the Q decking. They're all welded and they're in place. Now we're cutting the Q decking and prepping it to go in. The outside has kind of a rustic metal look, and then we spray painted the back black.
Hey, Mr. Root.
Hi.
This is months and months after we finish our wall.
I'm thinking more like a year.
Probably a year, yes. So we're just showing our friends the finished product.
Yeah.
And then we have a grown-up tree on the background, so it gives you a better idea how it looks. That would pretty much stop a vehicle of a drunk driver.
Have we told the story yet?
Yeah, we did put all the story in the beginning of the video. And it pretty much protect the car.
So if Joe Bob the drunk takes that turn a little too fast, hits this, he won't wipe out our vehicles. 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 bags of concrete
Uh-huh.
at 80 pounds apiece,
Yes.
plus steel. I'm not thinking that car's going to do too well.
Probably not. It will protect the house and it will protect our vehicles.
Yeah.
And that's all we care. Right?
8, almost 900 pounds of concrete.
Wow. So ta-da! Mailbox holder. Well, but that's it. Final finished product. Looks nice with the trees in the back. Very yellow. Okay?
Okay.
We'll say goodbye, senor.
Goodbye, senor.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you later.
Bye-bye. Well, that's it for today, you guys. Please consider subscribing, smash that bell, and know that wherever you are in the world, we wish you good health. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.